Hello, my name is Arnulfo Caballero, and I'm a 2L at Michigan State University College of Law. I went to the SLSPA in the summer of 2018. The SLSPA was a big help in my law school career. More specifically, torts. Torts was a huge help because it was very similar to a law school class, and I think that class was fantastic in preparing me for what law school curriculum was really going to look like. I really enjoyed this program, and I would highly recommend that anyone take it. It was hugely advantageous.
Hi, my name is Monica Palomo and I attend SMU Devon School of Law. I attended the Summer Law School Preparation Academy in the summer of 2018. The tours class you take in the summer is very similar to how it is in the first semester of law school. The material you learn and the way the final exam is administered is comparable to your first year.
My name is Chase Parsons, and I'm currently attending St. Mary's University School of Law, and I attended the Summer Law Preparation Academy in 2018. The Summer Law Academy was instrumental in helping me to prepare for law school. As a first-generation student, I was pretty much lost, and the Academy helped me to dramatically improve my score on the LSAT and put together a really competitive application. I walked in knowing about 80% of torts and enough about con law to score the top grade in the class.
Hi, y'all. My name is Alyssa Gordon, and I'm a current 2L at the University of Texas School of Law. I cannot sing the Academy's praises enough. When I tell y'all I was literally forged through fire by the Academy, I really do mean it. Not only did I learn how to think like a lawyer, but I learned how to collaborate with my peers. I learned how to build meaningful and lasting mentorship relationships with my professors and so many other people. I learned how to network with judges and attorneys. I really did learn how to be a successful law student before even entering the gates of law school. And I'm so incredibly grateful to the Summer Law School Preparation Academy and its staff